Welcome to Milos. This island is so beautiful and it's definitely an adventure island. You can cliff jump, see amazing sunsets, eat great food, and just see views you've never seen before. We took a ferry ride to Milos and used Ferryhopper to plan all of the ferry trips. The first stop of the day is Serra, also known as Moon Beach, and I strongly suggest parking a little bit before the beach because there are a lot of cars. Next stop is Mandrakia. It's such a beautiful fisherman village. Medusa was a really good restaurant. It's a bit pricey. It's also a restaurant that Justin Bieber ate at. We got the meatballs since we wanted something light, and it was really good. Klima is another fisherman village in Milos, and it was so pretty to walk around. Always came here for breakfast. It was so good. I mean, look at this drive. It was breathtaking. Ferryhopper was unbelievably beautiful. The next stop is Ferryhopper Beach. Hi, baby. Went swimming at Ferryhopper again because it's so pretty. Also went to Mandrakia once again since it was the last day in Milos. The ancient theater of Milos was so beautiful, and it was so nice to see the amazing marble that they preserved. And the last stop is Polonia before waiting for the next ferry to the next island.